Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming model and software, so you change the right component or software option. Open Settings and go to About Phone to note model and Android version. Once done, back up Home Settings and Layout to Samsung Cloud or a local backup so you can restore quickly if something goes wrong. If you plan to use advanced customization apps, enable developer options later. For now, make sure battery is above 50% and you have a Wi-Fi connection. You'll now change how the Home button behaves by navigating to Settings, depending on model. Use accessibility for button shortcuts or apps default apps to switch the launcher. Install a reputable launcher or a dedicated remapper and grant the app device and accessibility permissions. This lets the app intercept presses. Once installed, configure single, double, and long press actions, assign apps or shortcuts. Make sure to apply and test each mapping, because different launchers interpret gestures slightly differently. You finish by confirming the new default launcher or remapper in Settings Apps Default Apps, then restart the phone to ensure changes persist. Once rebooted, verify Home button responses for single, double, and long presses and adjust timings in the app if available. If something goes wrong, restore your backup to return to the previous layout and use the troubleshooting tip. Boot into safe mode to rule out conflicts, clear the launcher cache, or reboot. If physical unresponsiveness continues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.